video will give you a place to capture whether or not water was used on an incident, and then a report that you can run that will display that data. I'm going to go to Administration, User-Defined Fields, Infers, Incident Report User Fields. I'm going to create two. One that I'm going to require if it's a fire or anything in the 100 series, and then another one to gather the data as far as the amount of water that was gathered. So first, I'll put in a require control box. And this is just going to be a question that's going to get asked. It's going to be required to be answered. So we'll have two questions there. We're also going to require it anytime the incident type or the left first character of the incident type. So we're going to make that left, comma, 1 equals a 1. So anytime it's a fire, we're going to ask if they used water, and they're going to have to fill out either yes or no. We're going to put another box in here that's going to be a numeric field. We'll call it water amount. We'll make it numeric. And we'll make it, say, 9 characters in case we use a lot of water. We also can make this required if we select no, or the second option, on the upper box. So let's go back into the field properties. Rules, require. And we're going to require this when the water used equals 2. Those are our two fields. If we fill out an incident, and we say that it's any kind of a fire, the other tab becomes required, user fields become required, yes, we used water, and I'll change the rule on that to required if I say yes. Right now I'm requiring it for no. Now let's go to the report. We're going to go ahead and make a copy of the Infers incident list by alarm date time report. So this is the report we will start with. I'm going to create a new one, make a copy of that one. We'll rename the report. Copy the report name. Go to the properties of the query and paste the report name. Now we need to add our water amount field in. So we're going to go to Tables, Incident. We're going to add Incident Report User Fields. We have an option as to whether or not we want to bring in only calls where that information has been filled out. That would be our inner join, and that'll work for this. Would work for this report. I usually change this to a left so that I can actually get any calls and then whether or not there was water used. I'll take my field for my water amount. Now I'm not going to bother specifying any query parameters. What I will do is go ahead and just add my field in there. and there's the amount of water that I used. We can make the report a little prettier. The other thing we can do is we can copy the water amount, paste it, run it down here into the summary band, and sum it. This will tell me a total of all of the water we've used in all of the reports that were in there. A little bit of formatting, that'll be a pretty report, and hopefully help you get better data out of Firehouse software.